everyone, and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are again continuing with our concept review, and we left off with concept number 6 last class. So today we are going right into concept number 7, which was solving inequalities using addition and subtraction. So let's get right to it. Here we have an example of what we would do. Okay? We have an equality which is x minus 4 is less than 0. Okay? So we're trying to solve for a variable like we would with an equation, but this is within an inequality. Okay? So, like with an equation, we're going to follow the same steps, and we're going to try to get our variable alone. So, we are left with x is less than 4. Our 4 is going to be positive because those are the steps we have to follow. Okay? And that is how we solve inequalities using addition or subtraction. Let's move on to our next concept. In our next concept, which is concept number 8, we learned how to solve inequalities using division and multiplication. So, let's go into our example. You see how it looks a little bit different? It's because in this one, we have multiplication. So to be able to solve for it, we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which in this case is division. Okay? So we're going to start off by dividing 5. Why 5? Because it's the one that's next to the variable, and we want to get our variable alone. We're going to divide both sides by 5. This side cancels out. 5 goes into 10 2 times, and we are left with 2 is greater than p. That's how we solve. And for the last concept we will be reviewing today, which is concept number 9, we looked at solving inequalities, solving multi-step inequalities. So, inequalities that take more than just one step to solve. The other two concepts that we looked at was solving inequalities in just one step, either using addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. In this case, we are doing more than just one step, okay? And this is how it's done. Now we have 3f plus 9 is less than 21. Okay? So we're going to start off by trying to get our variable alone. For this, we are going to have to subtract 9 to both sides. We are left with 3f is less than 12. Okay? Now, this looks like an inequality that we solved in just one step, which is, in this case, division, because we have multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides. That cancels out. 3 goes into 12. How many times? 4. So f is less than 4. And that is our final answer. And that is how we solve it. Let's move on to your assignment. Very well, for your assignment today, I want you to solve these 3 math problems. Okay? Following the same examples that we just took in the last 3 examples, I want you to solve these. First, you're going to start off with solving a multi-step inequality. This inequality is 2 plus 2p is less than 14. The second one, you're going to be solving this inequality using either multiplication or division. This inequality is 3p is greater than or equal to 12. And then to finish off, you're going to be solving this inequality using addition or subtraction. This inequality is x plus 3 is less than 1. So go ahead and solve these three inequalities using the same steps I just took to solve the examples. If you have any extra questions or something didn't seem clear, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.